Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Genshin Impact error code 9107 on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, the first thing what you need to do here is to, on search, you just need to write run, right? And after you do so, you'll get this window here and you need to write %temp%, right? And here you need to delete all the files from this basically folder. It's just the cache files, don't worry about that. I just deleted, so nothing to be deleted here. And after you delete temp files, you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then you need to go to settings. Then after you go to settings, basically what you need to do here is to go to network and internet, advanced network settings, network reset, and reset your network. And after that, you just need to restart your computer. Keep in mind that if you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your password again. If you're using Ethernet, you don't need to do here nothing. And maybe when your computer resets, restart your router as well. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, then I suggest you to change your DNS server addresses. And to do so, you just need to go to network internet, advanced network settings, then expand your internet that you're using. For me, it's Ethernet, this one. Just click on arrow down button, then select more adapter options, double click on Internet Protocol version 4, select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4, apply the changes, and then you need to restart your computer, and you need to look if the problem is fixed. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.